Okay, today we got a 2010 Town & Country Chrysler Touring. Now the cool thing about this van is this is completely handicap accessible. So it's all set up with a ramp built in, electric ramp. So that's good to use. It's nice just on the key. You just double click the door. The door will open up. Like that. And the ramp comes out. And then the van lowers down so it's not so steep. And then if we go inside up that ramp, have the hooks to secure the wheelchair in place for safety, and then when you come back out, you just double click that again, the ramp goes in. And the door closes. So it's got a little bit of wear and tear, a couple little things on it. It's got two sets of tires. It's got this winter set that are brand new. It's studded. A little bit of a, looks like they took a rock there. The bug deflector. You hop inside. It has got all the features of a Town & Country when it was newer. Buttons here. We'll do that same thing on the door again. It'll open up the door, put the ramp down. And there is the button over there as well to do it from right there. So then you would just hit it again and it'll close back up. It does have a front seat. There's some electrical stuff here as well. Back and forth. A little bit of turning. And we go up and down. This van has 75,000 kilometers on it, so not a lot for the year 2010. But this is a one of a kind. So come on down to CSL if you're in need of a handicap accessible van, and we'll help you out.